In this tutorial, we will talk about these three commands. These are assert, AssertAlert, AssertChecked. So first we will start from first command. This is AssertAlert. Okay, assert. Actually, assert is used for confirmation. Confirmation if we expect a specific text or specific text, such as I expect this text will appear. So firstly I will store this text by store text command and assign to variable like this, and after of it I will put here assert command. Okay, after putting this I will put here a variable, and here I will put what I expect. I expect this text, so I will copy it and put in the second. Okay, and you can see that it's successfully run. If it's like here I will place a wrong text, then I will check it what's happened. You can see that it's rise an error. So we will discuss later how to handle like this error. So next our next command is AssertAlert. AssertAlert actually whenever you will see like this, you can see here like this. When you will click here or any time you will see here alert pop up, and you can see that here is nothing is working. Okay, and handle to like this type of element, you will see that you will use that AssertAlert. You can see that AssertAlert, like firstly I will handle I will pop up click. When you will click here it will pop up. And second is AssertAlert. Argument of AssertAlert is that only text of pop-up hello. Actually it's a text of pop-up. When you will see it's a pop-up, you can see it's inner text, it's hello. So it's the argument of AssertAlert. So when it will appear, it will automatically submit. Okay, now it's time to test. Oh wait, you can see that now no appear alert. And third and last, it's AssertChecked. Actually it's used to check that checkbox or radio button is checked or not. Such I will show you here. You can see that it's a checkbox. Okay, and when you will go here, you will use here command check AssertChecked, and its first parameter is its locator. And actually when you will run it, you will appear an error. You can see that, and it's appear this error due to unchecked of this box. When it's checked, you will see that now not appear an error. Okay,